Ever wondered how rockets carry tons of payload into space? The secret lies in cryogenic engines. Let's break it down! What is a cryogenic engine? A cryogenic engine is a rocket engine that uses fuel and oxidizers stored at extremely low temperatures, often below -150 degrees Celsius. This makes them super efficient for space missions. How does it work? It uses liquid hydrogen as fuel and liquid oxygen as the oxidizer. These are pumped into the combustion chamber where they mix and ignite, creating a powerful blast. Science is full of mind-blowing facts. Like and follow Quick Quantum for more fascinating discoveries.